香港黃色暴雨啊，應該係今年第一次黃色暴雨啊。And that means it's raining a lot。我哋香港咧有3個暴雨等級嘅喎。第一就係黃色啦，係咪？即係要開始小心啦。第二咧就係有紅色啦，跟住第三咧就係黑色啦。黑色就係唔使返學啦，留喺屋企啦，唔使返工啦。媽咪爹哋都係留喺屋企喎。咁今日係黃色啫 ，so 都係 OK 嘅。咁你睇 ，this is the big ditch 呢一個渠啦。上面咧其實係一個儲水庫啊，就門口嗰邊。哎呀，係啦，水庫。So anyways, you get water down here. 而家啲 culverts is diverting the water. 跟住姨媽大真係透明㗎，係咪？呢個係小路仔啫。So anyways, I have to catch the bus. So there's still people out. See, he's riding a bike, but with a raincoat. Oh, he did not wait for the light to change. Oh well. Okay. So we're gonna walk to the bus stop. 咁你睇下啦，呢個就係黃色暴雨。It's actually not too bad right now。有啲區份咧係多好多雨嘅，咁但係咧都俾你睇下啦，係咪啊？又睇下咧，下邊你睇有好多水。You see that little red plastic bag just getting flushed along？係咪？所以你見到啲水其實好急咯。咁啊，我哋唔可以落去條渠嗰度玩嘅，係啦，有好多 sign 就唔可以落去玩㗎，因為有時候唔知會唔會有 flash floods，咁就危險咯。咁啊，今日咧其實係星期六嚟嘅，咁所以咧又落住雨咧，條街就冇人啊，所以好靜咯。姨媽嘅巴士喺對面啊，係睇下見唔見到姨媽嗰個搭邊嘅巴士 ？Can you read the number？That car went by, and then 佢嗰個 splash 好大彈到我啦。好彩我個書包係孭前面，所以我唔係太濕。That was a big splash. I should walk further in. But anyways， 你姨媽搭架巴士230係咪啊？Oh no. Okay, so maybe I shouldn't wait so close to the curb, because those splashes were so huge. Okay， 我喺度排隊。我排邊度？230呢度啊，係咪啊 ？Okay, I'll wait here, but I think I need to keep my umbrella in front of me, so that when the car comes by, it's like, okay, I think I just need to step back. See those big splashes? Okay. Oh boy, that was pretty intense. I think I got some more water on my mouth. 洗咗面咁添。Oh no, I hope I don't get a bug in me. Okay, 係咯。Okay, sometimes things like that happen, and it's okay. Just laugh about it and move on, because you can't change anything. So now 咁啊係咯，咁發生咗又有個 funny story 俾你睇啦，係咪？我記得咧，以前細個咧，姨媽同媽咪咧去。都係落大雨搭巴士，我哋去學園彈琴啊。跟住咧，我哋咧嗰條路咧係好窄嘅，係啦，即係咧呢邊係車啦，跟呢一度咧已經係一個欄啦。跟住咧，我哋見到架車嚟緊咧，我哋想避啊。We saw the big splash coming, and we tried to get up close to the wall as much as we could. We want to maybe climb over it， 但係都走唔到咯。And we were soaked from head to toe. It was the biggest splash ever. Which is so funny. 唔知媽咪仲記唔記得呢個故事咧 ？But we were just so soaked. It's just so funny. But we went home on the bus. Thankfully, we were going home， 又唔係返學。So 係咯。咁所以 OK 啦。我哋要後邊呢個巴士，同巴士司機講我哋要停先。OK， 好啦，咁我而家專心上巴士啦。OK。Love you. Bye.